Hey, wagwan everybody. It's Maida, Mrs. Golden, representing for my husband, Yachty, Jamaica, Ocho Rios, White River. Okay. How everybody doing? Well, I've been in my new place probably about a week now, and I've just been getting everything in order. Firstly, my room, gotta have my little chill spot together. Got my empty space there for future television. Yes, that television will be there, yes. Love, love, and more love. You know, that's what I always say. Okay? And I'm just getting stuff in order here. Gotta get this bathroom together. Sun is shining bright. There's a whole heap of snow out there. Bathroom nasty. But I'm gonna get it together. Got some little cute stuff to put in there. You know, still ain't met my housemate yet. It might come through today. Then after I conquer the bathroom to take me about another half hour, I'm gonna do these steps. Okay, watch me bring them back. I'm gonna wash the black out. Okay, see if we can do that. All right, workshop in full effect. Gotta get that swimming suit together. Get that finished. On my trip, checking outside there. See what the beautiful windows are. The blinds got plenty of light all morning. Now, one thing is cold is I don't know what in here. This heat is controlled. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, that's what we're talking about. 68. It's like below zero outside. But we'll be all right. Yep, it's just me. And I'm grateful to have my own. If it's a little chilly, so be that. Oh, I need to get something to eat. It's so hard to stop and take a break when you're busy. Just be like, But I got one little piece of pizza got for my job. I don't believe this refrigerator, y'all. So if y'all saw the other videos, but the refrigerator was nasty. I can't believe I brought it back to work. Brought it back to life. Oh, how are we going to get all that in 2 suitcases? No, that right there. The purple ones and the boxes. Me if I carry all of that foreign. My God. Here I come, customs. Real soon, real soon. Now, the person I rent from is supposed to be coming to turn the heat up a little bit because it's freezing in here. I told her I will buy space heaters, honey. I'm from that age, honey. We will get some space heaters up in here and act like we got some sense. But she may think that it's cheaper just to have the heat on. So, turn the heat up a little bit, but we'll see. It's whatever. But I just wanted to pop in and say hello. Work's been wonderful. I just been a little tired, but it's a good tired because I'm finally in my own space. I got some song projects that I'm preparing downstairs as well as my personal stuff for my trip to see my husband. But other than that, got my background. What movie is that? Come on. Come on. Tell me, y'all. What movie is that? All right. That's one of my favorite movies. One of my favorite persons in the whole wide world, Diana Ross. But I just wanted to say hello real quick. I'm going to stop and get something to eat. Like I said, look at this glasses is falling. Yeah. Look at that. Got my Beatles poster up. Yeah, I have a love for the Beatles. Quite a little love for the Beatles. My son does too. So when I found this poster in the thrift store, I said, I gotta put that up. I love it. I love it. All we need is love. Dun, 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 dun. All we need is love. Love. Love is all we need. All right, that's all we need. Love, love, and more love is Mrs. Gordon representing Jamaica, White River. See you soon. I love everybody. Mwah.